Okay, so today I will sing a song for you. Welcome song. Welcome, welcome. How do you do? I am so glad to see you. Sit down, all in the ring. Oh, hold each other hands to sit down, and hold each other hands to happy, happy. That how I feel for you. Happy, happy. That how I feel for you. So good morning. So today we are going to learn something on EVS lecture, that is transport. We will learn something about transport. So do you tell me how you travel today to school? Which transport which vehicle you use to come to school? You?
Bike, auto.
Okay, so everyone came here from different vehicles. That is known as transport. With transport is the person from one place to another is known as transport. So there are three main types of transport, that is air, water and land. And also in land there are two transport, that is rail transport, road transport. And also nowadays there are 2-3 modes of transport like pipeline, cable, space, etc. That are also has been become a mode of transport. Let's learn about the transport. So do you know what is the air transport? Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. वो ट्रांसपोर्ट ऐसा है जो तुमको जल्दी से एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस तक पहुंचा सकता है. इट इज द फास्टेस्ट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. एंड द एग्जांपल फॉर दैट वी कैन से एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर, hot air balloon, etc. So now tell me, can you tell me what is water transport? Yes, water transport which helps you to reach from one place to another through sea, ocean, through water, from one place to another. The example for water transport is ship, boat, etc. And the water transport is also helpful for us, like heavy cargo transport. वो एकदम heavy सामान जो रहता है ना, वो बोट से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने को वो हेल्प करता है. So it is helpful for as transport on water. Then there is a land transport. Land transport में दो types. There are two types, rail and road. Road transport is which the vehicles carries persons, goods, animals from one place to another on roadway. That is through bus, cycle, bike. You came to school today, that all the vehicles are included in this road transport. And what is rail? Rail transport is trains, metro trains, rail trains. That are all the examples for rail transport. So this was the three main transport. Now today we will learn something on pipeline. What is pipeline? Pipeline is it is also a transport. Pipeline refers to long and huge pipes. वो बहुत बड़े बड़े pipes होते हैं metal के. And from that we transfer the goods from one place to another, like oil, gas, petrol, diesel. Sometimes some coal or iron ore also has been transported from that pipeline. And वो किसके साथ, तो वो है ना मडी वाटर के साथ मिक्स करके ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. So nowadays pipeline is also very important for us. And we can say a pipeline is also a land transport. Okay, so we will learn a spelling today. So this is a spelling. P. Repeat with me. P.
P
I. P. E. L. I. N. E. Pipeline. Pipeline transport. So now I'll sing a rhyme and you listen to me. Okay. I ride on a bike, but I want to go faster, faster. I ride on a bus, but I want to go faster, faster. I ride on a car, but I want to go faster, faster. I bike, bus, car, train, plane. I ride on a train, but I want to go faster, faster. I fly on a plane, but I want to go faster, but faster. I fly on a rocket, but I fly on a rocket. I fly into space in a rocket. I fly in a rocket. I fly to space in a rocket. So, did you like the poem?
Yes.
Okay. So, I'll show you one worksheet over here. You have to stick 5 transport picture over here. Land, your road, any bus, cycle, bike, anything you can stick on a road transport. Here you have to stick a picture of rail transport, any train. Here pipeline. See, this is a picture of a pipeline. It looks like this. This is from here to it passes everything, liquid form or anything, it passes from inside this metal body and we get that easily. So you have to stick that pipeline photo over here. Then here you have to stick any water transport, that is ship, boat or anything. And here you have to stick air transport photo, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, anything you can stick over here. Thank you.